Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day, Yusuf and Amina's mom wanted to teach her children never to tell lies and always keep their promises. Do you know why Allah is a Sadiq, and He never lies or breaks His promise, and why the prophets of Allah and the Imams never lied? Asked Mom. No, please tell us, replied the children. Well, it's like the story of the boy and the wolf, replied their mom, and she began to tell them a story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy whose father had told him to look after the sheep on the hill. The boy was sitting watching the sheep and was very bored, so he decided to play a trick. He began to shout at the top of his voice, "Wolf! Wolf!" When his father and other people in town heard this, they ran out to the hill to help the boy. When they got to the top, they saw no wolf but just the boy sitting there laughing. They were very angry and told him that it was wrong to lie. The boy did not listen and did the same thing the next day. On the third day, a wolf really appeared. When the boy cried, "Wolf! Wolf! Help me!" But no one listened because they thought he was joking again. But the wolf was really there and attacked all the sheep and attacked the boy. So, when a person lies, people stop believing him or her. Allah wants us to believe Him and trust Him. This is why Allah is a Sadiq. Allah also wants us to become truthful so that other people will believe us. Rasulullah started preaching Islam when he was 40 years old, but he had never lied since he was born, and everyone called him a Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. So it was easy to believe him when he began preaching the message of Islam.
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
It is the promise of Allah. Allah does not fail in His promise, but most of the people do not know.